Everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about correlation in JMeter. So let's begin. What is correlation? Correlation in JMeter is used to handle dynamic values like session ID or tokens that server creates for each user. These values are unique and change every time, so they need to be captured and reused to ensure your test working properly. For example, you log in into application, the server sends back a session ID in the response. You need to capture the session ID and use in the next request. Otherwise, the server does not recognize your session and the test will fail. In this tutorial, we will talk about the regular regular expression extractor. Regular expression extractor in JMeter is commonly used to capture these dynamic values. It lets you extract specific parts of the server response and save them as variable to use in your test. By using the regular expression extractor, you can extract the values from the response and reuse in another request. So let's begin. Open JMeter, right click on test plan, click on thread group, and then click on thread group. In the thread group, enter the number of threads, runtime periods, and the loop count. Now, does not change anything here, just use number of users 1. Right click on thread group sampler and then click on HTTP request. This is the HTTP request. Let's change the HTTP request name. We will use this example lifecharger.eu. So change request name here, live charger. Now enter the server name and the protocol. Protocol here HTTPS, and then enter the server name. Here server name is lifecharger.eu. Copy this server name and paste here in server name or IP section. Let's add the listener here for view the request and response. Right click on thread group, add listener, and then click on view result tree. Let's run this test. First, when you run this test, it will ask for your save this test plan before running it. Click on yes. Now enter the file name here. Enter file name here, live charger.jmx. Click on save. Now request sent to the server. Here you can view this is the URL, complete URL, HTTPS protocol, and the URL, which is server name. In the response data, we are getting some response from the server. Suppose we want to extract the tag here, anchor tag. This is the complete URL. Suppose we want to extract from response this URL. So we need to use the regular extractor. Right click on thread group, click on post processor. In the post processor, here multiple options are available. If you want to extract the CSS, so you need to use the CSS selector. Now use the regular expression extractor. In the regular expression extractor, multiple options are available. If you want to extract the response from body section, you can use the body, and here multiple options are available: request, response headers, and request headers URL. Now enter the name of a created variable enter variable name here, reference. This variable name we will use in another request. Now enter the expression here for extracting. Suppose we want to extract the anchor tag a href is equal to and double commas. Inside this double commas, enter round brackets. Inside this round brackets, we need to match the regular expression. So enter here dot and asterisk question mark. Here we need to enter where is capturing group number start. In this scenario, we enter the one matching. So use $1 and 4 match number. Let's add another HTTP request for reusing this value. First, we will extract the response and then we use this response in another request. Right click on thread group, sampler, and then click on HTTP request. Here we can change the request name HTTPS or another name we can set here. Now use this variable name which is reference. Just enter in path section dollar and then use this variable name which is reference. Let's run this script. We have total 2 requests. In first request, we are extract the value from response and then reuse this value in another request by using regular expression extractor. Here we need to remove the spaces, otherwise we will get some error. So remove these spaces and again run this test. First, it will send the request livecharger.eu send to the server and then extract the value from the response. Here you can view we are sending some URL in second request because we are using regular expression extractor. We can easily extract the value from the response and use in another request. Thanks for watching this video on correlation in JMeter. I hope it helped you understand how to handle dynamic values like session ID and tokens using techniques like the regular expression extractor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to Escape World for more tips and tutorials on performance testing and automation. If you have any question or suggestion for further topics, feel free to leave a comment below. I love to hear your feedback and ideas. Stay tuned for more videos and see you in the next video.